let's talk about clinical discussion forums. What are they and how do you use them? All right, so in Remnant Counselor Collective, a big part of what we're offering to you is a knowledge sharing space. So, a place for you to bring your experience and your expertise to the table to benefit the wider community, and for you to benefit from that same knowledge and wisdom and insight from other RCC members. Clinical discussion forums are one avenue that we provide that service to you. And so I'm going to kind of show you how to access it and how to use it. All right, so we refer to this as a resource. So it's going to be in the resource tab at the main menu. And then you'll see here knowledge sharing space and then clinical discussion forums. All right, if you click where it says access here, it'll take you to that page. And all it is a pre-filtered clinical discussion forum group type page. All right, so it's going to filter down the whole groups list to the clinical discussion forums. They look and feel like all the other groups inside the platform. The only difference is there's no specific meeting times or video links for you to jump into a video room to talk with people face to face. Okay, so these are just discussion threads, and there are some best practices here that we want you to be aware of. First, we want you to join the clinical forum that you have expertise in, and to be active there and to share what you know with others. So you can be in that forum and you can be posting ideas, thoughts, best practices, resources. So that way, when somebody has questions, they can go to that forum and see some things that you've posted there, and kind of look through the discussion for things that might be helpful. Or they could post a question there and then have you directly respond to that question and provide some insight or some help. Okay. And then on the flip side, when you have questions, maybe you have a new client or presenting problem that you're working with, we want you to go try and find the forum for that might best relate to that, and ask for help there to seek some answers in that space. Okay. So I'll just kind of take you into one of these so you can get an idea of what it's like. But we basically covered the gist of it here. Okay. So, for example, let's jump into the relationship conflict and distress discussion forum. So, I'm personally new to working with couples. It's not the primary clientele that I work with. And so, for instance, I came in here and I kind of posted a synopsis of a presenting problem of a new couple that I'm working with, and then a question about kind of where to start with this couple. And then Brian, who is a trained marriage and family therapist, he has an EFT approach, and so he was able to kind of help me with that lens to kind of conceptualize the client, which I found really beneficial when I went to go meet with the couple later that day. All right, so super helpful, and then this becomes a living kind of resource for you if you're to jump in here and get some insights from prior questions that have been asked and that sort of thing. All right, we hope you find this video helpful. Please jump in, make sure you're an active part of the clinical forum that you have expertise in, and then go looking for answers and ask questions to other forums where people have maybe some answers for you. All right.